CompXM Round 2 Guide 2025 to 2026. Hello, and welcome back to the CompXM 2025 to 2026 simulation series. In this video, I'll guide you through the top 10 winning tips for Round 2 of the CompXM exam. If you've already completed Round 1, congratulations. Now it's time to build on that foundation and push for even stronger performance. Let's dive right into Round 2, and walk step by step through each decision area, just like we did in Round 1. White heavy checkmark 1. Review what you did in Round 1. In Round 1, you should have developed 4 new products, one for each market segment: traditional, low-end, high-end, and performance, or trip, core, nano, and elite depending on your interface. These new products should have been properly positioned using data from the Industry Conditions Report and calculations based on Table 3. Now in Round 2, our first job is to update these products again, but using the new ideal positions and drift values. Bar chart 2. Use Table 2 plus Table 3, updated version. Before updating your product R and AMP winking and laughing, you need to recalculate the ideal position for each segment. Table 2 shows the segment details, size, performance, age range, and price. Table 3 includes drift rates, how customer expectations shift each round. Backhand index pointing right. Download the free Excel forecast template to combine Table 2 plus Table 3. This allows you to project the new ideal spot for Round 2. Once you've calculated the new ideal spots, update your product specifications in the R and AMP winking and laughing section to match these new values. This helps keep your product near the center of the customer demand circle, and maximizes sales. Brain 3. Don't copy numbers, learn the strategy. Important reminder: CompXM is personalized. Every student has a unique set of numbers, names, and market data. Backhand index pointing right. Do not copy the product values or prices from any video, including this one. Instead, learn the method, use the Industry Conditions Report, analyze Table 3 drift values, apply calculations using Excel or by hand, update your decisions based on your version of the simulation. Money bag 4. Set marketing, pricing, promotion, and sales. Now let's move to the marketing section. Price. Reduce the price by about 50 cents from Round 1, depending on customer trends. You want to stay competitive but still maintain a good margin. Promotion and AMP. Sales budget: O low end and AMP, traditional, $2,000 each. O high end and AMP, performance, $1,400, $2,000. These budgets help raise awareness and accessibility scores. Round 2 is still early in the game, so strong investment here will pay off in Rounds 3 and 4. Chart increasing 5. Forecast sales volume accurately. Now comes one of the most critical parts: sales forecasting. To do this, follow this process. 1. Look at last round's actual sales volume for each product. 2. Check how much inventory was left, if any. 3. Apply the segment's growth rate to project future demand. Backhand index pointing right. Use the Excel file or a calculator to run your numbers. Then, go to the production module and input the forecasted demand, adjusting for inventory leftover, new demand, any new products launched. Factory 6. Adjust production, capacity and automation. Once your forecast is done, go ahead and plan your production. Here's what to do. Adjust production to meet forecasted sales plus inventory buffer. Make sure you don't overproduce, leads to wasted cost. Make sure you don't underproduce, you lose sales. Buy more capacity for new or growing products. This helps avoid bottlenecks in future rounds. Recommended automation levels: low end, increase to 6.0, traditional, 5.0, 5.5, high end and AMP, performance, 4.0, 5.0. Be careful. Too much automation limits repositioning flexibility. Busts in silhouette 7. Human resources. Train and recruit a strong workforce gives you long-term cost efficiency. In Round 2, make the following decisions in the HR module: recruiting spend, $5,000, training hours, 80. This will improve your productivity index and reduce labor cost per unit, a smart investment early in the simulation. Dollar Banknote 8. Finance decisions. Fund smartly now. Let's move to finance. Round 2 funding needs will be higher because you're investing in marketing, increasing production capacity, launching TQM initiatives to fund operations, issue stock, $40,000 borrow long-term debt, $15,000 borrow current debt, $15,000 aim to keep a cash balance of $75 to $80 million to avoid emergency loans. These loans will ruin your financial ratios and investor confidence. Gear 9. Launch TQM, Total Quality Management. Now is a good time to start TQM investment. In Round 2, spend $1,000 on each initiative. Prioritize initiatives that improve R&AMP winking and laughing cycle time, reduce material costs, improve demand forecasting. TQM takes a few rounds to show results, so the earlier you start, the better. Bar chart 10. Analyze results and plan ahead after submitting your decisions. Check the pro forma income statement and balance sheet. Compare Round 2 performance to Round 1 sales. In Round 1, maybe you earned $17 million. In Round 2, you should see a jump to $27 million or more. Profit. In Round 1, maybe $4 million. In Round 2, aim for $6.8 plus. Contribution margin. Keep increasing, aim for 35 to 40% in Round 2, 50% plus by Round 4. Stock price and AMP, ROE, look for strong improvement in financial KPIs. The key is momentum. If your sales and profit keep increasing, you're on the right path. Repeat button recap, Round 2 strategy in 10 steps. Let's summarize everything. 1. Review Round 1 performance and decisions. 2. Use the industry conditions report and tables 2-3 to calculate Round 2 ideal positions. 3. Update product specs in R&AMP winking and laughing. 4. Lower price slightly and increase marketing spend. 5. Forecast demand using last year's data and segment growth. 6. Match production to forecast plus add capacity plus increase automation. 7. Max HR investment, $5,000 recruiting plus 80 hours training. 8. Fund growth using stock, long-term, and current debt. 9. Launch TQM, $1,000 per initiative. 10. Compare actual versus projected performance, refine strategy for Round 3. Open mailbox with raised flag. Need help? If you need free support for Round 1 or Round 2, send your questions to email mbahelp2002@gmail.com. will help you review your strategy and fix mistakes early, while there's still time to recover and score high. Also, visit our blog for downloadable Excel templates and more tips. Link https://compxmguide2022.blogspot.com. Don't forget to watch the next video for Round 3 and AMP for strategy, where we go deeper into profitability, financial controls, and long-term positioning. Party Popper, thank you for watching, and good luck on your CompXM exam. Let's aim for that 999 to 1000 score together.